Hey guys, it's late at night and I'm in the shop because a new printer just arrived. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm sure you've seen an unboxing video of this printer before. It's the Anycubic S1 Max. And yeah, I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to enjoy myself while I do it. So don't mind me if I just have a shop soda. We'll call it soda. Yeah, we'll go with that. You're about to see me throw my back out, I can just tell. Ay, get ready. Stay hydrated. Looks like a toolkit. Power cable was buried underneath the toolkit. It's really dark in there, so if you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't get a power cable, you did. It's in the bottom of the box. Two cables, one for the ACE, one for the printer. And then this is full of tools, probably. I'm really good at guessing. Yeah. Here we go. It's pretty hefty, but it's doable. I'm not going to move it all the way square back because I still want to plug it in. So I'm going to leave it pulled out just a little bit. But yeah, here's what we got. I still have to come in here and remove these little indicated screws. All right, I know you can't see that one, but it's down in there. And then back here, same thing. I have to remove all of those screws so that I can get this. This is just basically a little shipping protector for the ACE to make sure it doesn't go all over the place. And they just used it so I could put the zip ties through here and just hold it in place for shipping. So, so far so good. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Take off this tape, take off this tape. It's probably got some, oh yeah, there they are. It's got some zip ties up here that we've got to get rid of. Yeah, so I'm going to do that now and then I'll be right back. There we go. I already took that screw out on the right, that screw on the left, and now I'm going to do that screw in the back. Oh, taking this little arrow sticker off is not a big deal. Gone, like it never happened. Don't even see any residue. Nothing. I'm going to do this part right now because I just can't wait. This is where it connects, and it's got 2 screw holes, and it's also got a couple of clips to help guide you where to clip it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this on and screw it in, and then I'll put the tubes on after. Also, it has a data cable, and you have to make sure that you plug it in to the correct slot. So make sure that you look at, this goes into the 6-port slot. You can actually just tell if you look at the tip of the data cable and count how many squares there are, it's 6. And then if you look at the Ace Pro data cable, hold on a second. Actually, technically, if you didn't really know any better, Ace Pro data cable has a 4 and a 6 end, and that's because the 4 peg end goes into the printer and the 6 peg end goes into the Ace. I'm gonna go back to English where I belong, and then I'm gonna click next. Setups are pretty intuitive, but if you don't know what you're doing or what you're supposed to be seeing or touching or whatever, you can always consult the instructions. All right, 2 options, China and global. I don't live in China, so I'm obviously global. Then you hit the blue button and you wait. Now I have to pick which internet network I want this to be on. And then it's going to ask me for my password. So let me just type that. It just gave me a warning message saying that it's about to start the resonance calibration, and wanted me to click OK to say that my computer was on a stable surface. All right, there's the ASA being rolled in. Really love these grooves. So on each section, it's got grooves that help guide and keep this spool in place. The loading mechanism is so quiet. It's like whisper quiet compared to Ace 1. Generation 2, already in love with it. I don't think I have to touch or push anything else after that one OK button that I did. So I think it's safe to go upstairs now. Pretty sure.